Skype just recently added a feature of virtual backgrounds kind of to match Zoom. So I wanted to show you how to use that feature in this video. So you can head up to the Skype menu and go to Audio and Video Settings. And you can see here on the Audio and Video tab, you have the option of choosing a blurred background, which I never thought was very professional. That was kind of Skype's answer until just this week. You can now add images that you can put into the background. So Skype does not have any default images preloaded the way Zoom does, but you can add any image into the background. Also, you cannot add video. That's a feature of the latest version of Zoom. So if you want to have some fun over in Zoom, you can go ahead, just update to the latest version, and you'll be able to add video into your background. But back to Skype. And if you're in the middle of a Skype call, here's a Skype call with my cat Tiger, you can go down to the lower right-hand corner and there's 3 dots there for more options. Click on that and then head over to Choose Background Effect. And you can see here where you can choose the blurred background, a background that you've already added, or you can add an image here. So a lot of us are working from home these days and we're spending a lot of time on camera. So you can head over to my website to check out the fabulous video checklist, which is a checklist where you can go through and make sure right before you go on camera that you've gone through and you're looking in the right place and you've got the camera at the right height and the right stuff in the background. So head over to check that out over here, or you can check out another video from my channel up here.